Welcome to Fact Phantom Wallet versus Decent Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll compare Phantom Wallet and Decent Wallet, focusing on their features, security, and who each wallet is designed for. Phantom Wallet is a popular non-custodial wallet that's built specifically for the Solana blockchain. It supports a wide range of Solana-based assets, including tokens, NFTs, and DeFi applications. Available as a browser extension and mobile app, Phantom provides a simple and user-friendly interface, allowing seamless integration with decentralized applications, dApps, and decentralized exchanges, DEXs, within the Solana ecosystem. It also offers features like staking Solana SOL tokens directly from the wallet. However, it's important to note that Phantom is primarily focused on Solana, so it's best suited for users who are deeply involved with the Solana blockchain and ecosystem. If you need support for multiple blockchains, Phantom's functionality may fall short. Decent Wallet, on the other hand, is a hardware wallet that supports multiple blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and various ERC20 tokens. It stands out due to its physical design as a hardware wallet, offering an additional layer of security by storing your private keys offline. Decent is compatible with both mobile devices and a web app, providing a seamless user experience. One of its notable features is the fingerprint authentication, adding an extra layer of security and convenience. It's a great choice for users who prioritize high-level security and want a multi-chain wallet that supports a variety of cryptocurrencies. However, since it's a hardware wallet, you'll need to carry the device around for transactions, which adds some physical limitation compared to software wallets like Phantom. In conclusion, if you're looking for a simple, user-friendly wallet focused on Solana with easy access to DeFi and staking, Phantom Wallet is a great option. But if you need a more secure, multi-chain wallet that offers physical security and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, Decent Wallet may be a better fit for you. Be sure to check the description for links to both wallets and additional information.